When we talk about dals, the dal which comes on the top is a dal fry and kali dal. But I am sure you have never tried before the tomato dal. Today's recipe of tomato dal we are going to make with the tomatoes. We are going to use tomatoes in a base of a dal. And for giving that red color of tomatoes to the dal, we are going to use Kashmiri red chilli powder. So tomato dal is specially for those people who love to eat tangy and spicy food just the way I love. So let's start making this recipe.